Hi, I'm Greg Stokes. I'm an attorney in Atlanta, Georgia. My firm handles injury cases. Today's tip is on closing statements. Your attorney has tried the personal injury case. The defense has put up their witnesses. All the evidence is in. What happens next? Well, the two attorneys are going to get their chance to make their final pitch to the jury. And usually that jury has made up their mind already. But there's some people that you want in that jury room arguing for you. So the closing statement is the opportunity to give those jurors that are on your side some real good arguments. Let me give you an example. Recently we had a case involving a large computer manufacturer, and one of their tech reps was in a very, very bad automobile accident. He had crossed the center line and hit a pedestrian. And it was kind of interesting because the company denied responsibility. First, the driver came up with 3 different versions of how he hit the pedestrian. He had actually crossed the center line and hit this pedestrian, but his first version is that she was on his side of the street and she was running across the street. His second version was, no, she was really on her side of the street, but there was a crowd and he was trying to avoid this crowd of people. And the third version was completely unbelievable. He denied that he even crossed the center line. It was just absolute denial. Well, the corporation, interestingly enough, denied responsibility as well. It's saying, well, when he was involved in this accident, he wasn't on the job. Well, the funny thing is, this guy had filed a workers' compensation claim alleging he was on the job and he was en route to fix a company computer. Well, our closing statement was very simple. This case is about the acceptance of responsibility. My client, who will have a bad leg the rest of her life, accepted her responsibility. She was life-flighted to the hospital. She was treated in the emergency room. She followed up with all her surgeries and all her appointments. And now she'll have to live with this bad leg. But this driver has denied liability. He's denied responsibility. And even their company, who has changed their mind now and said, yes, he was on the job, for 2 years they fought us and they denied responsibility. Well, it's your turn as the jury today to hold them responsible and to live up to the commitment. You know, we have asked for $2 million, and I've computed that this company, it will take them approximately 8 minutes to generate $2 million in revenue. The $2 million you may award to her, though, will have to last her entire lifetime. 8 minutes compared to 30 or 40 more years of living with a bad leg. A closing argument like that, with a theme, will get a good verdict every day of the week. If you're in a situation where you have some friends or relatives or anyone that has questions about a personal injury case, I'd like you to have them call me. My name's Greg Stokes. My number is 1-800-700-5050. If you want to share this information, you found it valuable, and you're watching it on YouTube or Facebook, press the share button so your friends can have the benefit of this. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.